So guys, my little one has keeps putting her hair away like this because it's all over her face. She never had a haircut before, and despite numerous attempts to get her to the salon, she always refuses. So right now, if you can just see her, oh, don't touch me.
House. Jump at the house. Jump at the house. Jump at the house.
So today I decided I'm gonna do it myself. So before we do anything else, I'm gonna watch a tutorial on how to do it, so I will not regret it later. Okay.
Out whatever is going to be falling forward. And you want to make sure you are getting even sections.
You want to ride the bicycle?
The triangle section, when you just cut kind of at
My body
an
is
angle and a point cut.
Hi, Teddy Bear. Here comes the ambulance.
And it feathers it just a little bit.
This is her first haircut. I'm so nervous, but I'll just do a minor one. So
I was doing that. My daddy or his daddy?
no, you're gonna cut your hair.
No, I don't. I get the gift.
Yeah, later we'll get the Christmas tree. Okay.
This feels so bad.
This feels so bad. This feels so bad.
Hello, lovelies. Look at some grapes.
Thank you. What are we doing today? We're gonna
Home.
comb your hair.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. You still can eat your grapes. There.
Aww.
I know. I'm very good. Very prepared.
Halloween is here.
Yeah. Your potty.
Yes.
Oh, hang on. Don't touch it. Mommy's doing your hair. Isn't
I'm a
it?
perfume.
What?
I'm perfume.
Are you?
I'm mommy.
You're not.
It's mine.
What?
It's yours, baby. I want more grapes. I want more grapes.
Okay, I'll get you some grapes.
Mommy, I want more.
Okay, I'll cut you some.
Bye-bye, guys. I want more. Bye-bye. See you. Did I get a gift? Books. Ah. No, I don't.
You don't want
I
it?
don't like fixing.
Why?
I don't like to fix.
Why?
Mommy,
Yeah.
are you doing a triangle?
Yeah, I'm doing a
I'm-
triangle.
No, I'm doing a princess.
You're doing a princess. There's your triangle. Let me see. Oh my. Don't
No.
touch it, please. Mommy's doing something. Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes. Close. Don't don't move, please.
Oh no.
So I can put that in a book. As legend says. You have to put the hair first. Cut hair of a baby inside a book so they get more intelligent, I think. I don't know if it's true. Okay then, sit down. Sit down for mommy. There we go. Let me see. Don't touch your hair. Wow, nice hair. Ah. Let me see. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Don't move. Oh, no, touching. No touching the hair. No touching the hair. I'm moving so much.
Okay. Let me see. Show lovelies. You're so cute. Sit down. Can I continue?
No.
It's just here. No, don't move, please.
Mommy, close your eyes, baby.
Okay, and that side. Let me see how you're doing. Let me see how cute you are.
Look, my fingers are gone.
What? Your fingers are there. Okay, don't move, please.
Wow.
Wow.
I got some grapes.
Sit down, please.
Grapes. I get grapes. Yum. Don't move, please. No. We're gonna have glitter. Come on.
So I'm not gonna use a blower because she's too scared of it. So I'm using a clean makeup brush just to get all the hairs out. Oh, you're doing makeup? Yeah? Makeup. You like it, don't you?
I'm a mommy. I'm mama.
Yeah, you are mommy now?
Yeah.
Mm.
Mommy, I love you.
Aww.
Mommy, baby, I love you.
Say bye-bye to Lovely.
Bye-bye.
Are you satisfied, my customer?
Bye-bye.
Are you satisfied?
Bye-bye.
You like it? Say
Bye-bye. Two. Not in night and little not in night. House. Honey to my house.
Oh, look at the camera.
Honey to my house. Mommy's hat. Mommy in this hat. Mommy in this
I
hat.
think this will be
Mommy's hat.
really good.
He's a camel. Baby's a form. Let's go trick or treat.
Okay, hope you become more intelligent.